Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Duai Arfa. Alhamdulillahillazi laysa liqada'ihi dafi'un. Praise be to Allah, whose determination cannot be repelled by anything. Wala liyataihi mani'un. Whose gifts cannot be stopped by anything. Wala ka sunnihi sunnu sani'in. And whose making cannot be resembled by the making of anyone. Wa huwal jawadul wasiyu. He is the all magnanimous, the all liberal. Fatarajna salbadai. He originated the genus of the wonderfully created things. Va'atkana bihikmatihi sanaya. And he perfected the made things by his wisdom. La takhfaya alayhi all growing things cannot be hidden from him. Wala tadiyu indahul wadayu. And all things deposited with him shall never be wasted. Jazi kulli sanin. He is the repair on every deed. Varayishu kulli kanin. The enricher of every satisfied one. Varahimu kulli darin. The merciful toward every caller. Vamunzilul manafi. And the revealer of the benefits. Wal kitabil jami bin nurisati. And the all-comprehensive book with the glaring light. Wahuwa lidda avati samiyun. He is also the hearer of prayers. Walil kurubati dafiyun. The warder of anguishes. Walidara jatin rafiyun. The raiser of ranks. Walil jababirati kamiyun. And the suppressor of the tyrants. Fala ilaha ghayruhu. There is no God other than him. Wala shayya yadiluhu. And there is nothing equivalent to him. Walaysa kamislihi shayun. And nothing like a likeness of him. Wahuwa samiyun al-basir. And he is the all-hearing, the all-seeing. Al-latiful khabir. The all-gentle, the all-aware. Wahuwa ala kulli shayin qadir. And he has power over all things. Allahumma inni arghabu ilayka. O Allah, I willingly desire for you. Wa ashhadu birrububiyyati laka. And I testify to the lordship of you. Mukirran binaka rabbi. Confessing that you are verily my Lord. Wa anna ilayka maradi. And to you shall be my return. Ibtadatani binimatika. You had begun bestowing on me. Qabla an akuna shay'an maskuran. Before I was anything worth mentioning. Wa khalaqtani min at-turabi. And you created me from dust. Summa askantani al-aslaba. You then put me in the loins. Aminan li raybil manun. Making me saved from misfortunes of time. وقتي لي فيه والسنين and change of ages and years. فلم أزل زائن من صلب إلى رحيم. I was moving from a loin to a womb. في تقادم من الأيام الماضيات throughout the passage of the past days والقرون الخاليات and the ancient ages لم تخرجني لرافاتك بي as you have not taken me out to this world on account of your sympathy to me وَلُطْفِكَ li, your kindness to me وَإِحْسَانِكَ إِلَيَّ and your compassion to me في دولة أئمة الكفر in the government of the heads of unbelief الذين نَقَضُوا عهدك who breached their covenant with you وَكَذَّبُوا رُسُلَكَ and denied your messengers لكنك أخرجتني بالذي سبق لي من الهدى. However, you took me out on account of the guidance that you have already known about me.